Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll explain you how to use filter function and logic which has to be triggered to us after applying filter function. In this table, we have to bring Maharashtra state values from this table using filter function. Write filter function here equal to filter, press tab, in array, select all these columns, comma, include, we need only Maharashtra state values. Select this column, equal to, in double quotes, write Maharashtra. Close the function, press enter. We got all Maharashtra state values. Now the logic is, if in this column any error value is there, then your filter function will not work. Let me show you with value not available error. In this particular cell, I'll write that error value hash see, now the values are gone. Go back to that error value and replace it with number or with text. Then your filter function will work. Let me write another error value, invalid cell reference hash now also the same result. Now go to that error value, convert that to text or to number so that your filter function will work. Check out my channel for more tips and tricks.